Hello. Today we're going to review a toy, aren't we, Sienna?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which toy are we going to review? Should we find it? Should we find it? It's Mr Tumble! So the Mr Tumble toy looks just like this. Soft-bodied, and he's about 38 centimetres tall. Takes two AAA batteries which go in the back here. So of course that means that he can't go in the wash. You'll have to sponge him down if he does get dirty. We've managed to keep ours fairly clean so far. He can be used as a normal toy, dancing about with a bit of a doll. Maybe your child could act out some of the things that they might have seen on the Mr Tumble TV shows. But there's also a secret to this toy.
Hello, I'm Mr Tumble. Can you find my knees? Yes, well done. Can you find my toes? Yes, well done. Can you find my head? Yes, well done. Can you find my shoulders? Yes, well done. Can you find my knees? Yes, well done. Can you find my toes? Yes, well done. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
This might encourage your child to dance along to head, shoulders, knees and toes, and it also helps them to learn different parts of the body. So all in all, I think it's quite a useful little toy. I'd probably give it 7 out of 10. The reason why I've decided not to give it a higher mark is because the little sensors that you need to press on to get Mr Tumble to react to you are quite small. And I know that Sienna struggled a little bit trying to find them, so I end up pressing them myself. Perhaps as she gets older, it might be a bit easier. This toy is recommended for children who are aged over 10 months. Price also varies. I've seen a range of prices between £30 and £12. We actually picked ours up in TK Maxx for £12 at Christmas time. So there is a bargain to be had out there if you have a look around. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Goodbye from me and goodbye from... Where's his toes? Can you find them? Sienna, where's Mr Tumble's toes? Can you find them for me? No. Okay, I'll find them. What's he doing? You doing it? There we go.